Pyramid secrets your school never taught you. The deadly sound frequency. Previously, a 440 Hz frequency made sand float. Now discover why experts call it the deadly note. This note can break glass and human cells. How builders weaponized sound 4,500 years ago. Discovery 1 Body resonance. 440 Hertz matches human organ vibrations. 5 minutes exposure causes nausea. 30 minutes equals permanent harm. Discovery 2 Vocal chamber. This hidden room amplifies whispers 100x. Say A note here, and sand forms pyramid shapes. Discovery 3 1926 Medical reports. Sick workers' x-rays revealed cracked ribs. Same damage as modern 440 Hz lab tests. Discovery 4 Military connection 2023 US Army studied this frequency for non-lethal weapons. Did ancients master it first? Discovery 5 Hidden warning New translation. This message appears near all sound chambers. Who were they warning us about? Up next, the decoded message leads to a library buried under the Sphinx. Subscribe for more fascinating historical insights.